Another nice thing about this ring, you do not have to have any type of subscription. You don't have to pay anything extra monthly. You literally pay the one price for the ring. And right here, I have a discount code for you. Go on Amazon right now, use my discount code, and get your ring. You don't have any monthly subscription that you're gonna have to pay. Simple as that. It's comfortable. I barely notice it. I plan on getting my mental health in check now that I realize I need to seek that extra professional help right now, not wait. Once that is in order, I plan to keep up with my workouts. This is gonna tell me. I plan to get rest. When you're well rested, you're going to execute those workouts. And that's what I plan on doing. Because don't think shots and pills, surgery is going to get these results. It's a tool. You'll get close to it, but you need diet. You need exercise. I know y'all don't want to hear that, but that's what you need. And if you find it hard to do and accomplish, track it with a simple little fitness ring. All right, Glam Crew. When I came back from Dubai, I was 225.6 pounds, which was my weight loss goal. I did it. I did it. I did it. Anyhow, this video is going to be how I plan to maintain my weight loss. Okay, so quick update. I stopped taking GLP-1s, which I started out with Saxenda, then I was on Zepbound. Look through my channel, all the information is there, my plastic surgery journey, everything about my fitness, health, and wellness is on my YouTube channel. So I recently stopped taking the GLP-1 because my health insurance has some changes and it has gotten quite expensive. I will do a separate video for that because mainly my main focus right now is maintaining my weight loss. I don't want to focus on what could have been, what should have been, And since I have came back from Dubai, y'all have seen me wear this ring, right? Yeah, this weight loss look real good. So it is important that I maintain the weight loss because then I'm just gonna blow back up and I'm not gonna be able to fit all of my nice stuff that I got. Y'all like this outfit? Y'all like this outfit? Y'all like how this ring look? It is discreet. It matches with everything. Some of y'all barely noticed it until I brought it to your attention. This ring is by Ultrahuman. It is a fitness ring. Similar to those little watches some of y'all wear. Yeah, this is nice and discreet. When you first get it, it's gonna be about $350. Cool thing is you can order it off of Amazon. Super quick next day shipping, so you don't have to wait around for it. I have a discount code that you can use on Amazon, and that discount code will be available until mid-June of 2025. So go shop, watch the rest of this video so you can get all of the cool details. You will get a ring sizing kit and wear that ring for 2 nights just to see your ring size. My typical ring size is a 5, but with this fitness ring, I ordered a 6. And you see my hand is kind of small, it's kind of skinny. I'm actually destined to be skinny because look at these fingers. Like, come on now. Come on now. Then after you do your sizing for your ring, you will send that information in and get your new Ultrahuman Ring Air. Look how sleek this box is. Now, I have already unwrapped this. I have been wearing this ring for about two and a half weeks, and it has been the best fitness ring. And I didn't even realize that I needed this. I really honestly didn't realize it, but it has helped in so many ways. The biggest thing that it has helped me with is realize my sleeping. Like, I've known that recently, like the last month or so, I've just had some difficulties outside of life, outside of what I put on YouTube and social media, and I've been struggling with some things. And I've been dealing with some mental health issues, right? And my sleeping hasn't been the best. This ring tracks your sleeping pattern so well. It's like listening to your pulse, your heartbeat, your breathing, your body temperature, everything. And the last weeks that I've been wearing this ring, I've come to realize when I lay down, I don't fall asleep. I'm not on my phone, I'm not watching TV, but it takes me hours to fall asleep. I'm thinking I'm getting a full night's rest, and I still wake up tired and anxious and just jittery, like not my usual self. I know something's wrong, but I can't pinpoint where and what it is, because I'm thinking I'm going to bed at a decent time. But no, let me show y'all. I took a screenshot. So the Ultrahuman app is on the phone that I'm recording on, but I took a screenshot so that I can show you all. Over here, I will put some screenshots of what I'm talking about, because it's not going to be as clear if I show you off on my phone. But you will see on these screenshots, I'm laying down about 11 o'clock at night, right? And I usually don't wake up till about 6:30. That should be pretty good sleep for me. Some nights it's about 10:30 at night when I'm going to sleep. When I really like to go to sleep at 10 o'clock, but I get busy. So I'm going to sleep at 11:30 at night, laying down, but it's 2:53 a.m. when I'm actually falling asleep, and I didn't realize it. And then I wonder why when I wake up, I still feel tired. I know that when I'm laying down, I'm constantly thinking about stuff. My mind is racing. I'm trying to figure out, what do I have to do tomorrow? I got this task, I got that task, I can do this. It's just a lot going on in here. So it's hard for me to fall asleep. But I didn't realize that all of these hours are going by before I fall asleep. This tracker also will tell you when it's a good time to take in caffeine. I thought caffeine was bad, but it actually shows you caffeine that is good for you. And again, I'm going to have screenshots. It has good caffeine, and it has the list of like the percentage of good caffeine, bad caffeine. And these just aren't some regular bogus numbers and things they're throwing at you. This is based off of your data, your body patterns. This is your data. That's one thing I like about this. It's not going off of a broad database collection of everybody else saying, oh, you should try this, you should try that. This is based off of my data, and then it's suggesting ways and things to do to help improve my data. Y'all get what I'm saying? Y'all, do y'all understand that? It's tracking, it is telling me what I need to do so that I can live better and have a better, healthier lifestyle. Along with the sleeping, it starts to tell me, once it starts tracking my patterns, so it takes about 2 weeks to really pick up your sleeping data and pattern. So now that I'm in my 3rd week, it's telling me, okay, we noticed that you start falling asleep about this time. In order to have a really good night's sleep, you should start getting ready for bed now. You should start laying down now. That way, by the time you fall asleep, you'll have a full good night's rest, because it knows what time I'm going to wake up. I don't have to worry about setting an alarm. It knows my body. It knows my schedule. And I don't have something big and bulky. It's a small little ring, and this ring is so powerful. You get a charger. It comes with the cord, and it comes with the charging base. And then the charge will last 6 days. 6 days. So every night I don't have to remember, oh, let me charge. I just gotta go to sleep. Then I'll get a notification when it's at 30%. 30%, it'll give me a little notification, hey, your ring is getting down, you should charge it up. But even then, I still have about another day before it's going dead. And you want to make sure you don't let it die, because then the data is not saved. So just go ahead and sync the data, put it on the charger, and you're good to go. Charge it up while you're in the shower, while you're cooking dinner, then put your ring back on. You're good to go. Another nice thing about this ring, you do not have to have any type of subscription. You don't have to pay anything extra monthly. You literally pay the one price for the ring. And right here, I have a discount code for you. Go on Amazon right now, use my discount code, and get your ring. You don't have any monthly subscription that you're going to have to pay. Simple as that. It's comfortable. I barely notice it. I wake up, I check my data. If I'm like highly stressed out, which this thing been going off, it's been letting me know your heart rate is up, you're stressed. And that lets me know, okay, this is the moment when I'm feeling most stressed. What am I doing in this moment? I need to cut out whatever it is that's stressing me immediately. I'm too young to have stress. I'm too young not to be able to sleep at night. Honestly, y'all, off camera, I got a lot going on, and I knew it. I just really didn't realize it until I had this fitness ring. And I'm not afraid to admit it. I've spoken to y'all about my mental health before. I think it's time for me to go seek professional help. And nothing is wrong with that. You're getting a step ahead of it so you do not become overwhelmed. And usually when you're overwhelmed, for me, I tend to eat. And I am not picking back up my weight. I refuse to. Buying medicine and stuff, that costs too much. I'm not doing that. I'd rather track what I got going on, take control of it immediately, get ahead of it, and do what I gotta do. Simple as that. Because I'm looking good, I'm looking snatched, and I want to keep it that way. I'm looking good, I'm feeling good. I have some issues in the back of there going on, but I'm gonna get it under control. Thankfully, with this fitness ring, I'm more aware of what exactly it is, the moments when I'm most stressed, the times that I am not sleeping properly, and now I can go handle it. I can take those further steps. And honestly, for the price of it, this is good. This actually should be more. All the things that it monitors, I would pay more for this. I would. I don't want to get a company no bright ideas. Hey. Hey. I don't want to give y'all no bright ideas, but I would pay more for this. And then it's FSA approved. So if your healthcare has like a spending plan, or if your employer has like some type of healthcare spending plan, you can use that money to buy this. So you necessarily don't have to come out your own bank account. Or you can be reimbursed if that's what your employer does. Win, win, win. The app is really easy to use. I've talked to y'all before about me not being too tech friendly. I'm not into technology like that. That's why it works for me. I put it on, I go about my day. It alerts me when the battery is low, I charge it up. I put it back on. I pull up the app, boom, scroll a little bit, it tells me everything I need to know. It's not hard to figure it out. It's not long, drawn out information. It tells me exactly what I need to know for me, not just some broad, basic information. It's my data. So overall, honestly, I wasn't expecting to like this as much as I did. I don't know. I wasn't expecting anything. I just like, okay, yeah, whatever, do a review. But this is a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. An honest 10 out of 10. Because this helped me in a lot of ways that I can't even explain to y'all. Honestly, I probably wouldn't have gotten professional help as soon as I would have. Because in my head, I'm thinking, I'm going to sleep on time. I just maybe need to go a little earlier. I'm feeling stressed, but I'm not as stressed. My heart rate be beating off the chain. when I'm in them stressful moments. Now, I ain't putting all my business out there, but the thing that is stressing me, I'm like, yo, this can't be it. Like, when it's going on and happening, I'm just like, my temperature rises, this tells me. My heart rate rises, this tells me. And when it's one of those days where I just have those like panic anxiety attacks multiple times a day, I'm laying in bed and I'm not sleeping. But days when I'm not dealing with that stress too much, I get a lot of walking done. My steps are good. My stress percentage is low. It'll give you a percentage of like your stress management for the day. I'm typically like in the 60s, y'all. I don't know if I put that screenshot here, but that's not good. I'm young. There's no reason for a young person to be like, what? And a lot of people, you will not notice it until you're tracking it. And you don't want to be tracking it with some big, heavy, bulky equipment. People looking like, oh, what's that on your arm? And you guys, oh, it's my fitness thing. What's this on your wrist, your little fitness watch? Oh, you're getting in the shower or you going swimming. You got to remember to take it off. It might get stolen. Let me tell y'all, this little ring is waterproof. If it gets lost or stolen, you can track it on the app. You can track it on the app. So let me end this right here so it don't sound too much of a, I don't want this to be a sales pitch. This is really my honest review. Y'all see my videos. I do reviews on everything. This is how I feel. So 10 out of 10, recommend. Go get it. I plan on getting my mental health in check now that I realize I need to seek that extra professional help right now, not wait. Once that is in order, I plan to keep up with my workouts. This is what I'm telling me. I plan to get rest. When you're well rested, you're going to execute those workouts. And that's what I plan on doing. Because don't think shots and pills, surgery is going to get these results. It's a tool. You'll get close to it, but you need diet. You need exercise. I know y'all don't want to hear that, but that's what you need. And if you find it hard to do and accomplish, track it with a simple little fitness ring. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.